How to convert JPG image to a vector in Illustrator. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to convert a JPG image into a vector using Adobe Illustrator. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Adobe Illustrator. And here, once you have opened it, simply click on the open button which can be seen in the left sidebar. Now here, from the pop-up menu, simply select the JPG file and simply open it. Now here, once you have opened the image, simply go to the top menu and simply click on Windows. And after that, a drop-down menu will appear. From that menu, simply click on Image Trace to bring up the Image Trace option. Now here, under the preset drop-down, simply select High Fidelity Photo. You can adjust the number of colors depending on how detailed or simplified you want the vector to be. And here, once the tracing is done, you can simply click on the expand which can be seen at the top. And this will convert the image into editable vector shapes. And after that, you can simply right click on the image and choose Ungroup. And this allows you to select and edit individual parts or section of the image. And after that, now your JPG is fully editable vector graphic in Illustrator. You can move shapes, change colors and customize it however you like. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.